Okay, so I bought this chair at a thrift store and it was $35 in the box, and I thought I was getting a really good deal. But then when I got it home, I found out that it was only, I think it was like 45 or 50 bucks on Amazon, so I didn't get that good of a deal, but it was brand new in the package, and my son's favorite color is green, so I thought, oh, I'll just try it and it probably won't be too bad. But then I got home, I have all the parts here, but there's no instructions. And I went on YouTube to try to see if I could find the exact same chair instructions. MC-GF411, the color doesn't really matter. And I could not find instructions anywhere. So I thought, I'm going to try to figure this out, and I'm going to see if I can figure out how to put this together. I mean, it's not all that difficult, I don't think, but there's different sizes of screws, and I don't know how long it's going to take each screw in whatever hole. So I'm going to get a toothpick, and I'm going to try and put the toothpick down to see if the holes go down further in a certain spot than another. I don't know if that makes sense, but we're gonna try it out. I thought if I need these instructions and they're not on YouTube, maybe I could just create this video. Okay, that is pretty shallow. So I think those might be the shortest ones. But that feels pretty shallow too. They all feel pretty shallow. That is not helpful. Okay, so with some deductive reasoning, I believe that these short ones fit onto this part of the chair because the other part of the chair with the armrest is thicker and it's going to need a longer screw to go through. So I'm going to do this part and then I'll show you that. Okay, so I got that put in, the washers and the screws. It's hard to film and point at the same time apparently. And then at least they had these stickers saying which direction it went because I didn't know if it was the front or the back without those, so that was helpful. Okay, so then the next part, I'm going to put the wheels on, and it looks like there's a leg that's broken when it comes, but it's actually not broken. There's a piece that slides into it, and so I saw some reviews that people were like, the leg was broken, but if you actually inspect it, it's not broken. It's just comes that way. Okay, so that's what it looks like. The legs just, or the wheels just slide right into the holes. Okay, and then this piece apparently just slides right in there. And then you set the chair base on it, like such. Okay, then I laid it down on its side and I put the chair back, and then I have to put the screws in on each side, but I can't do it while I hold the phone, so just a sec. Okay, so I don't know if I did the longest screws in the right spots, but that seemed to be where they should go. Okay, then the 4 medium screws I'm going to use on the armrests. Okay, so I got those done. Okay, then the last 2 screws on each side I'm going to put in with the long screws right there. Okay guys, I'm not going to lie, getting that armrest in was a wrestling match. That was rough. We're going to try the... Hey, okay, so I had my son help me with the last one because it was really hard, and then these little pieces fit in there, I think. I don't know, that's kind of loose. Okay, and then put it on the other side, right here. And voila, there's the chair. Okay, have a great